Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is the divisibility rule for 3 and 9 and what is the conventional method and what is the shortcut faster way to detect whether a number is divisible by 3 and 9 or not. Okay, so first I am going for 3. So before that you should know what is digital sum. Digital sum. What is digital sum? Digital sum means if any natural number is given to you, suppose there is a natural number called 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the sum of 1, 2, 3 and 4? The sum of 1, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Again, what is the sum of 1 plus 0? So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. That means the digital sum of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 1. So that means the all end singular digit sum, whatever you get by adding up all the digits, the ultimate, the final single digit number, whatever we get, that is called as digital sum of that number. So now I will be using this digital sum concept when we are going for the divisibility rule of 3 and 9. Friends, any number, suppose a number, there is a number called 1236. You need to tell whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So the rule is, if the digital sum of these numbers is 3 or multiples of 3, then that entire number is divisible by 3. That means what is 1 plus 2? 3. That means 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 12. Again 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, 3. So that means 3 is a multiple of 3. 3 ones are 3. That means this entire number is divisible by 3. Okay. Suppose I am taking one more example. 42,012. That means 4 plus 2 plus 0. 0 does not matter, but still, just for a formality I am writing it. 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Yes, 9 is a multiple of 3. That means this entire number is divisible by 3. That means the digital, if the digital sum of the numbers is 3 or multiples of 3, then that whole number is divisible by 3. But my dear friends, sometimes it will be very difficult for us to add up all the numbers when the size of the number is very big. So I will tell you a very easy technique that is called as a cancellation method. Cancellation method. Cancellation method, my dear friends, suppose the same numbers I am taking. So 1236 is the given number. So cancellation method goes like this. 3 is divisible by 3. 6 is also divisible by 3. 1 plus 2 makes 3. That 3 is also divisible by 3. That means this whole entire number is divisible by 3. There is no number left. There is no number left which are not multiples of 3, or there should be no natural number left which are not multiples of 3, or there should be only zeros left. If there are any numbers left, that should be only 0. So there should be no natural number left which are not multiples of 3, then only that entire number is divisible by 3. So the same goes with the second number. Suppose second example you have taken 42012. Friends, 1 plus 2 will make 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. The 3 goes in 3. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is also, there is only 0. So 0 does not matter. So there can be 0. There should be 0, or there should be no number which is not divisible by 3. Then only that number is divisible by 3. Yes, 0. Or 4 plus 2 plus 0 is also 6, right? So that means this entire number is divisible by 3. So let us check another number by this cancellation method. Suppose, my dear friends, we need to check whether 23149 is divisible by 3 or not. 3 goes with 3. 9 is a multiple of 3. 4 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So 1 is the number. So 1 is not divisible by 3. So that means this number is not divisible by 3. This number is not. Now we will take another example. 8321641. Let us see whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 will go in 3, 6 will go in 3, 2 plus 1 will go in 3, 8 and 1 will make 9, that goes in 3. There is a number 4 left. 4 is not a multiple of 3, right? So 4 is not a multiple of 3. That means we know very well there should be no number left which is not divisible by 3. So there is a number 4 which is not divisible by 3. That means this number is not divisible by 3. This number is not divisible by 3 because 4 is left. The only left number should be 0, or there should be no natural number left which is not divisible by 3. Here there is a 4 which is not divisible by 3 left. That means this number is not divisible by 3. Friends, the same technique that we have discussed here will be applicable for 9 also, the same thing. But here in the terms of in the case of 3, we are looking for the digital sum of 3 or multiples of 3. Here we will be going for 9. Suppose I am taking a number 8316. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Generally the method is digital sum technique. 8 plus 3 plus 1 plus 6. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. In 18 again 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. The all end sum should be, the digital sum should be exactly 9. It is not 9 or multiples of 9, exactly the digital sum of the number should be 9. For 3 it is not like that. For 3 the sum can be 3, 6 or 9, anything, or multiples of 3. But here the speciality of 9 is the digital sum of the number should be 9, exactly 9. So this number is exactly divisible by 9 because the digital sum is 9. So let us take another number. Suppose there is a number 72,009. Yes, because 7 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9. So that is also equal to 18. 1 plus 18 is again equal to 9. So 72,009 is also divisible by 9. Okay, so now we know the cancellation method that we have used for 3. So let us use the same technique here. Friends, suppose 8, 3, 1, 6. Look at here. 6 and 3 makes 9, that goes in 9. 8 plus 1 will make 9, that goes in 9. That means this number is exactly divisible by 9. Simple technique. This is called cancellation technique, which we have used for 3. Same technique we are using for 9 also. Suppose next example we have seen 72,009. So 9 will go. 7 plus 2 will make 9. Zeros does not matter. So this number is exactly divisible by 9. 72,009 is exactly divisible by 9. Suppose there is one more number 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 5. Tell me whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Immediately 5 and 4 will make 9. And look at here, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9. These three numbers will make 9, so it is 9. There is one number left which is not 9, which is not 9 or which is not multiple of 9. That means this number is not divisible by 9 because 1 is not a multiple of 9. That is why. If there is any number left, that should be only 0, that you know very well, right? Okay, suppose I will give you one more example. Very big number now we are going to test. 4, 8, 9, 0, 1, 6, 3. Tell me whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. So easily you can say, right? 6 plus 3 will make 9, so that goes in 9. 8 plus 1 will make 9, that goes in 9. 9 individually will make in 9, 0 does not matter. 4, friends, 4 is not a multiple of 9. So 4 is left. So that is why 4 is not 9, 4 is not equal to 9, or it is not even a multiple of 9. That means this number is not divisible by 9. So for 3 and 9, the digital sum of the numbers should be, for 3 the digital sum of the number should be 3 or multiples of 3, but 9 it is even more easy, the digital sum of the number should be exactly 9. So cancellation technique also we know. We just add up the numbers and zeros also will get cancelled automatically. So if there is no number left other than 0 and all the numbers sum are getting cancelled by the given number, then that number is exactly divisible by 3 or 9. If there is any number left which is not a multiple of that particular number, then we can say, okay, this number is not divisible by 3 or 9. So there is a lot of similarity between the divisibility rule for 3 and 9. And we know the conventional method, which is called as digital sum method, and we also know the quick method, which is called as cancellation technique method. I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute. Thank you.